Hello everyone, welcome to Current Affairs Today. In this video, we are going to discuss the top 15 MCQs of 11th of July. But before we begin, quiz. Who has been removed as the ambassador of Convention of Conservation of Migratory Species, Wild Animal, United Nations Environmental Treaty? NordLink project was officially inaugurated recently. It is a project between which two countries? Which state has formally scrapped the move to lift the water from Ujjani Dam? From Ujjani Dam. So in short, if I ask where is Ujjani Dam? A new species of spider, Jayanti, was recently discovered in which state? Indian Broadcasting Foundation has been renamed as. Which High Court has slammed the state government over Pathic Living Convention of One Gujar tribes? Which enterprise has conferred the Green Urja Award by Indian Chamber of Commerce? Which bank has included in RBI from the second scheduled of RBI Act, which was merged with DBS Bank? Which IIT has launched Mission Bharat O2 Challenge to tackle oxygen crisis? Who was conferred Erlin Pact Global Vision Award by International Association of Women Judges? So these were some of the quiz questions from the month of May, and let's discuss the answers. So who has removed the ambassador? His name is Randeep Hooda. NordLink project was inaugurated in Germany. Which state has formally scrapped the move to lift is Ujjani Dam, which is in Maharashtra. Jayanti species, which is found in Chhattisgarh. And Indian Broadcasting Digital Foundation. Only digital is added here. Indian Broadcasting Digital Foundation. The new name is. This is Uttarakhand High Court. Green Urja Award has been given to IREDA. And which bank is this? Is Lakshmi Vilas Bank. Which IIT has launched Mission Bharat O2? This is IIT Kanpur. Who has been conferred? This is Geeta Mittal. And let's discuss our today's current affairs. Name the Indian chess player who has won the Serbia Open Chess Championship in Belgrade. So he is Nehal Sarin. Nehal Sarin has won the Belgrade Open, and he has also won the Silver Lake tournament also. And from Serbia, Novak Djokovic is from who is from Serbia? Novak Djokovic is from Serbia. He has won Australian, French, Wimbledon, all the three. And remember one more, Abhimanyu Mishra. He has become the youngest grandmaster from USA. He is only 12 years old. Serbia's capital is Belgrade. You can remember this. I know Djokovic is from Serbia. Okay. The first unit of the Maitri Power project at which place in Bangladesh will be commissioned in December? So this is Rampal. Okay, in Rampal, the first unit of Maitri Power project in Rampal district of Bangladesh will commissioned in December 2021. There is one train called Maitri Express which will run from West Bengal to Dhaka in West Bengal. So this is India's third train from India to Bangladesh. This is a third train. Earlier two were Mithali Express. One more Mithali Express, and the one more is not able to recognize. Okay, you can comment me if you know. Okay, and the capital of Bangladesh is Dhaka. Currency Taka. Genoese Moose, who was assassinated at home. He was the president of Haiti. He was the president of Haiti, and Haiti's capital is Port-au-Prince. Port-au-Prince. So he has been assassinated at his own home, and who is the president of Haiti, and they have tried to kill his wife also, but unfortunately she has saved her life, but he has lost his wife. He has lost his life, and he was the president of Haiti. Union government has set up a 25-member development council, a cement industry under whose chairmanship, under the chairman of Puneet Dalmia. Under the chairman of Puneet Dalmia, Union government has set up 25-member development council for cement industries. Which state has launched ATASIS scheme to boost the production of orthodox and specialty tea? So this is Assam. Just seeing this specialty tea, we can judge this is Assam. It is a ATASIS scheme. And who is the chief minister? Hemant Biswa Sarma. Hemant Biswa Sarma is the chief minister of Assam. West Bengal, Mamata Banerjee. Karnataka, B.S. Yediyurappa. Andhra Pradesh, Y.S. Jagmohan Reddy. And Biswa Bhushan Harichandan is the governor of Andhra Pradesh. And Thawarchand Gehlot is the new governor of Karnataka. And Assam governor is Jagdish Mukhi. Okay, Jagdish Mukhi. West Bengal, Jagdeep Dhankad is the governor. Okay, all the CM governor I told. West Bengal capital is Kolkata. Assam, Dispur, Bangalore, and Amravati. Okay, let's move. Which company has partnered with MasterCard to launch Mandate HQ? This has been launched by Mandate HQ has been launched by Razorpay. Razorpay company has partnered with MasterCard to launch Mandate HQ. According to the report Greenpeace India, Delhi has recorded an increase of how much percent in nitrogen dioxide pollution between April 2020 to 2021 for 1 year, and it has seen that 125% increase has been recorded, and this has been recorded by Delhi government in nitrogen oxide for 1 year. Indian Army has inaugurated the war memorial dedicated to Captain Gujendra Singh Suri, who lost his life during his operation in Jammu Kashmir in 1999 war. So this is Operation Birsa Munda. Okay, yes. This is Operation Birsa Munda has been set up, has been inaugurated a memorial dedicated to the Captain Gujendra Singh Suri. Okay. Veteran Congress leader Veerbhadra Singh, who passed away, he was the former Chief Minister of Himachal Pradesh. He was the former Chief Minister of Himachal and he was the Congress leader Veerbhadra Singh. And who is the present Chief Minister? His name is Thakur. Okay, whose name is okay, if I remember then I will tell. Jairam Thakur. Okay, yes, Jairam Thakur. And we have Tirthan Wildlife Sanctuary here. Tirthan Wildlife Sanctuary, Sange Wildlife Sanctuary, Sange Wildlife Sanctuary, Great Himalayan National Park, Kibber Sunny Wildlife Sanctuary, Lippa Asrang Wildlife Sanctuary, and Simbalbara. There is one valley here. Pin Valley is there. Oh, okay. Pin Valley National Park is there. Great Himalayan National Park, and one more national park is there. Great Himalayan National Park. Okay, this much is enough. World's tallest sand castle was constructed in which among the following countries? So this is has been constructed in Denmark. In Denmark. Denmark capital is Copenhagen. Copenhagen. And who is India's ambassador? Pooja Kapoor. Pooja Kapoor is India's ambassador to Denmark. AFC Women's Asian Cup 2022 is going to be held in which two cities? So this is going to be held in Mumbai, Pune. In Mumbai, Pune. The first shipment of geographical indication certified Bhalia variety of which crop was exported to Kenya and Sri Lanka from Gujarat. From Gujarat. So it is a variety of wheat. It is a variety of wheat which has been cultivated, which has been exported from Kenya to Sri Lanka, and it will be cultivated in Gujarat. Who is the Chief Minister? Vijay Rupani. Vijay Rupani. And Gujarat will celebrate their Statehood Day on 1st of May, along with Maharashtra also. 1st of May, Statehood Day. India's first international maritime service cluster will be set up in Gift City. India's first international maritime services cluster in Gift City in Gujarat. And for the first time, Italy has launched its first mega food park in Mehsana district. In Mehsana district, Italy has launched its first ever mega food park in Mehsana district of Gujarat. And who is Italy's ambassador? India's ambassador to Italy is Dr. Neena Malhotra. Neena Malhotra is India's ambassador to Italy. And so this much is enough now. Which Metro Rail Corporation has launched India's first FASTag or UPI Unified Payment Interface based parking facility? So this has been done by Delhi Metro. Has launched India's first FASTag. And FASTag works on RFID. This will work on RFID technology, radio frequency identification. And Metro comes under Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, Hardeep Singh Puri. And Hardeep Singh Puri is also the Minister for Petroleum and Natural Gas. Okay, so this much is enough. Who has been awarded the Humboldt Research Award for Economics? Humboldt Research Award has been given to Kaushik Basu. The Kaushik Basu has been awarded this research award, and he is the former chief economist of World Bank. He was the chief economist in World Bank, and there is one book. He has written one book, Policy Makers General. Policy Makers General. He has written one book, Policy Makers General. Amartya Sen's book is there. Amartya Sen book is there, and the book name is Home in the World. Home in the World. So these were the quiz questions from 11th of July, and I will see you on 12th of July.